What's going on? Welcome back to Let's Automate This. Anthony Virgo here, and ChatGPT just released GPT Image 2, and it is going crazy. We're going to dive deep into this. Let's get into some of the highlights and some of the updates. OpenAI just released GPT Image 2. What really makes this special is the first image model with reasoning. So the ability to really think and get the job done when it comes to creating some images. And today we're gonna test it as well. They also updated the scripting in terms of language, so now it's able to transcribe things in its native language or produce things in a native language once you give it to it, which is really big because we know with AI images sometimes a lot of this stuff gets there's an error or something's wrong, something's misinterpreted. So now it has a better understanding of different languages to then create images or flyers, which is going to be huge for any language barriers it had prior to. Also, you're gonna get smarter images with less prompting. So with this model, it's designed to do more with less. This is why the reasoning is a big factor. Now we don't really necessarily have to go back and forth as much as we did with the older model. Now we're gonna be able to get exactly what we're asking for in a shorter amount of time. Less words, less back and forth with AI. AI is going to be able to understand what you need and then give you a realistic version of that. It's also able to search the web, get more details when creating the image, which is going to be huge. So if you're refreshing the image, updating things, want to use anything from the internet, it's going to be 1,000 times better. And then also understanding images as a whole. So screenshots, uploading documents, uploading pictures, uploading products that you want to pitch. That's going to be super big in terms of what it's going to be able to create image wise. Think of marketing campaigns, think of flyers, billboards, a lot of those things. Graphic designers, this is your time to shine. Available for everyone with ChatGPT, Codex, and on the API. So you don't have to do anything extra to use this model, which is really great. So introducing ChatGPT Images 2.0. Let's see what they got going on, man. So introducing Images 2.0, a new era of image generation. Images are languages, not decorations. A good image does what a good sentence does. It selects, arranges, and reveals. It can explain mechanics, stage a move, test an idea, or make an argument. A year ago, ChatGPT released the images, showing images created by AI can be both beautiful and useful. Now it has a wider range of ratios, so you'll be able to prompt it to get the right ratio that you need when making an image. To extend the model's capability to most complex tasks, 2.0 is our first image model with thinking capabilities. When a thinking model is selected in ChatGPT, Image 2.0 can search the web in real time, get the information, and give you multiple distinct images in real time from one prompt. And it will double check its own output. This is amazing. So it's actually gonna double check itself, and make sure that it's producing the right image that anyone is asking for. Instead of getting something vogue in the neighborhood of what you meant, you'll get something you can actually use. So now they're saying that the images are going to be a lot better with less. All right, and here are some examples they pulling up. All right, this is nice. This looks amazing. You actually take pictures of you can take real photos of some documents, and then you're gonna have ChatGPT actually refresh it and redo it. Stronger across languages. So this is what I was talking about earlier. Today our image generation model have been more consistent in English and other Latin script languages, less precise beyond that, especially when text was complex. With 2.0, it moves beyond the barrier with stronger multi-language understanding and specific gains in non-Latin texts. So we're thinking about Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Hindu, right? All of these different languages, ChatGPT is going to be able to understand and create images natural to these languages. That includes not just translating a label or two, but generating visual, comprehensive outputs where language is a part of the design itself, like a poster or a diagram or comments. Let's see. Wow. You see this? This is amazing. stylish and sophisticated realism. So right now is letting people know that the style is gonna be way more sleek, way more sophisticated, right? Something out of a movie. As a result, the model can produce outputs that are more faithfully reflected in style and requests rather than approximately. That's a big statement there. Wow, look at these examples, right? Look at these examples. These are some nice examples. I'm about to go ahead and make me a comic book now. Be honest with you. GPT image. Flexible aspect ratios. So now you can support more ratios in the images, which is really great if you're thinking about making flyers. Anyone who does billboards, anybody who does web design, this is really, really great. So look at this. You have a banner form. Look at this. Real world intelligence. So image brings more up-to-date understanding of the real world into image creation when the updated knowledge cutoff of December 2025. So look at these images. Oh my God. So there you have it from OpenAI itself, a little bit of a breakdown. But I want to do one more thing. I actually want to test their model and see what's going on. So what I did was I got a few prompts from the ChatGPT itself that I can use. Let me get the prompts loaded up and we're going to test this out. Okay, so now for the test. We're going to give it some prompts and we're going to go ahead and see how it does, man. ChatGPT, we are excited for this. Create a realistic modern primary care receptionist desk with a tablet displaying an AI voice agent interface, handling patient check-in. So this is ideal for what I do. So for voice AI, I need some type of product that I can do. Wow, I'm impressed with the image. I really do like this image. It came out nice.